Assalamu alaikum. Hi, hello everyone. In today's video, you will learn on how to check your Wi-Fi, check your hardware, and do an input-output test. Timestamps and links will be provided in the description below. So let's get started. Firstly, quick and easy way to check your Wi-Fi speed. You can either click on the Wi-Fi link below or open up Chrome and search fast.com. It will automatically read your Wi-Fi speed. Anything above 25 megabits per second is good enough. Next, let's check your RAM, Windows version, and camera. Open up Setting and search about your PC. Here, your amount of RAM will be displayed, as well as your current Windows version. 4 gigs of RAM is the bare minimum, 8 gigs and above will do fine. Your Windows version doesn't really matter. However, your Chrome browser version will need to be the latest one. Link to the video will be in the description below. Next up, whilst still being in Settings, search Sounds Settings. Here is your speaker and microphone settings. Select the speaker you want to use and move the sound bar to check if it is working properly. Same goes for your microphone. Select the one you want to use and speak. If the soundbar indicator is moving, that means your microphone is working fine. Lastly, your camera. Press your Windows button and search Camera. Select the first one that appears. Here we want to click the gear icon and go to Video Settings. Ensure your camera is selected to the highest quality. For Mac OS users, go to your menu bar and click the Apple icon and then click on About your Mac. Here is your RAM amount and your Mac OS version. For speaker and microphone setting, go to the menu bar and click the Volume icon and go to Sound Settings. Here you can adjust your input and output device settings.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Lastly will be your camera. Hit Command plus Spacebar and search Photo Booth. Ensure your camera is working. That is all, everyone. We are done. Thank you for watching.